Alright, here we go. This is the brand new album by Aurora. I only got it yesterday, and so we'll have a bit of fun. This is her version of Nature Boy, which is absolutely beautiful. I hope you enjoy it.
There was a boy, a very strange, enchanted boy. They said he wandered very far, over land and sea. A little shy and sad of eye, but very wise was he. And then one day, a lucky day, he passed my way. Then we spoke of many things, fools and kings. Then he said to me, the greatest thing you ever learn is to love and be loved in return.
Well, I think that's surprisingly reasonable, to be honest, considering that it's just a 1-inch drive unit, approximately 1 metre long waste pipe for a sink system. Yeah, it's not too horrible, really, considering. Hope you enjoyed it.